You're building a website, a portfolio, or an interactive 3D experience, and you keep seeing developers talk about Three.js, Spline, and Babylon.js. You open each tool hoping for the perfect mix of power, performance, and ease of use. But after experimenting with them, you start wondering, which one is actually the best choice in 2026? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test the tools, software, and frameworks shaping the future of web development. Today we're comparing Three.js, Spline, and Babylon.js to see which one truly delivers the features modern creators need. I spent 2 weeks building small 3D demos and UI interactions across all 3 platforms. With Three.js, I built a custom animated scene from scratch. With Spline, I recreated that scene using its visual editor. And with Babylon.js, I tested performance-heavy animations and physics. I also checked documentation, community feedback, learning curves, and export options. After comparing these tools directly, I now know exactly where each one excels and where they fall short in 2026. These tools claim to help developers and designers create advanced 3D experiences for the web. Three.js promises full flexibility with code. Spline claims visual creation without engineering complexity. Babylon.js advertises performance, physics, and an engine-level toolbox for advanced interactions. But which one actually fits your workflow? And which tool gives the best results for real projects in 2026? Step 1. Ease of use and learning curve. Three.js gives you total controls, but requires JavaScript and 3D math knowledge. Spline is the easiest, offering drag-and-drop creation with minimal coding. Babylon.js sits in the middle, offering a structured API that's easier than Three.js, but far more technical than Spline. Step 2. Performance and rendering. Three.js and Babylon.js deliver strong WebGL performance, with Babylon often performing better on physics-heavy or game-like scenes. Spline looks beautiful, but consumes more system resources due to its visual engine foundation. Step 3. Customization and flexibility. Three.js dominates customization. If you can imagine it, you can build it. Babylon.js also supports highly detailed customization, with built-in tools for lighting, physics, and materials. Spline is flexible visually, but limited for deep logic or unique 3D interactions. Step 4. Exporting and integration. Three.js integrates naturally into web apps and frameworks like React or Next.js. Babylon.js also integrates well and offers its own powerful editor. Spline exports embeds easily, but customization after embedding is limited. Step 5. Pricing and accessibility. Three.js and Babylon.js are fully free and open source. Spline has a free tier but requires a paid plan for higher quality exports, team features, and advanced capabilities. Step 6. Documentation and community. Three.js has the largest community with endless tutorials. Babylon.js has strong official documentation and a loyal developer base. Spline has active community growth, but fewer resources due to its younger ecosystem. So, which tool is the best to use in 2026? It depends entirely on your goals. If you want full control, deep customization, and unlimited flexibility, Three.js remains the top choice. If you want fast visual creation, simple interactions, and designer-friendly editing, Spline shines. If you need performance, physics, and a structured engine for complex 3D apps, Babylon.js is the strongest option. Pros of Three.js: full customization, massive community, works with every modern framework. Pros of Spline: easiest tool for beginners, beautiful UI and animations, rapid creation without code. Pros of Babylon.js: exceptional performance, built-in physics and tools, great documentation. Cons: general, Three.js requires heavy coding, Spline has limitations and paid tiers, Babylon.js is less popular, smaller ecosystem. Bottom line, Three.js is best for developers, Spline is best for designers, Babylon.js is best for complex 3D apps. Choose based on your project, not hype. If this breakdown helped you decide which 3D tool fits your workflow in 2026, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. Drop a comment. Which tool do you use? Three.js, Spline, or Babylon.js? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where your tools, tech, and projects work smarter.